Hey everyone, so continuing the theme of my life is a fucking disaster. I actually didn't even film like a proper intro to this video, so this is your intro. I was just sat in bed watching Vampire Diaries and I'm like, shit, I ain't even got anything to start this fucking video, so that's great, innit? As you can see, we've gone quite natural and you'll see the video anyway. But this is pretty much the makeup look that I went for today, plus lashes. Except I've done like a load of jobs today, done my bits and bobs and then took my lashes off. Sat in bed and I was like, shit, no intro. So I'm gonna fix that right now. So without further ado, please enjoy the video. And yeah. Did I curl my hair for absolutely but for no reason? Yes. Yes I did. So I have decided to do like just everyday makeup and just chill and chat shit because in this quarantine and all that jazz, there's not much we can do. So I'm floor kicking my arse right at the moment, so I've got like fucking demons inside me trying to scrape the way out and it's just not okay. And I'm going to start by moisturising, so I use the L'Oreal Triple Active Day Cream, or I use the other one that's kind of like, I don't know what it's called. Oh shit, I kind of got it on me, wow. And I kind of use the other one sometimes, so I'm just going to rub that in. So I'm going to be using the MUA Pro Base foundation today in shade 146 I think. So I'm like not matching at all really, because your girl tanned for once again no reason, but it makes you feel nice doing it. So how is everyone in this quarantine? I bet we're all having like a whale of a time, because guess what, I'm fucking not. I absolutely hate staying inside, so I'm probably going to go for like my walk a day with my dog, because he's like a little fat chihuahua and like he could get all the walks that he could get at this point really. So the usual, just fucking put your foundation on, which is all jazzy and that. So can you see like this foundation is literally like a fiver and it's well good. It's like my favourite one. It's like I refuse to spend copious amounts of money on makeup if like say there's a £5 foundation that's just as good as say like a £40 one that says like from MAC or something. I don't know how much MAC makeup is because your girl's poor, so we're not spending dollar bills on that. With my e.l.f. Camo Concealer, if I pick up the right colour, we're just going to go under the eyes and like anywhere else. So for that every day, this is probably going to be a little bit too heavy for someone, and you might have to excuse my congested ass. I've not got corona, I've just had a cold, so everyone's like been avoiding me with plague and it's been like the peaceful time ever, so that's always great. It's like people haven't want to come near me and I'm like okay. So I'll just blend that shit in and make sure that we're all blended to the gods, because guess where we're going after? Probably nowhere. So just blend all that in. I use a brush, sometimes I use a sponge, depends what mood I'm in really, or how lazy I'm feeling, because I can't be arsed getting up and wetting my beauty blender. Like, does anyone else feel that? So, and then I'm going to set that with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder in the transparent one. My mate got me onto this years ago. I think it's like the only powder that I will actually use, other than the I Heart makeup, you know, like the setting, I'll show you one, like these ones. These are really good for like baking. Mine's got coconut, so that's always a bonus. Way I do makeup probably triggers so many people, and like I know so many makeup artists, and like if they saw me do my makeup now they'd be like, honey, what are you doing? And like the amount of people that have seen my past video of me getting more progressively drunk, so like depending on how long this quarantine lasts, it's going to be like more of them, because I'm getting increasingly bored and everyone's like got wine and shit on Snapchat and I'm like, I feel that, but gold, oh but goldy, love it. So I feel like with any girl, makeup products that they love don't tend to have a lid and they look dirty because it's used that often. Yeah, this is my product. It's just too good not to use at such an affordable price. I think this bronzer cost me like £3. And I'm like, yes bitch. And everyone's like, I use a Max Skin Finish or whatever. And I'm like, I don't care, because my bronzer costs like £3. And like it does the exact same thing. So, you know, if makeup helps you feel a bit better, then like why do you have to spend so much on it? Because like, yeah. So for like everyday makeup, I'm too lazy. Like even this is too much for me on one day. Sometimes I just like literally put concealer underneath my eyes and that's about it. So this, do not waste your money on any other brow pencil other than this. It is £2 from Primark. So this is the brow sketch? Yeah, brow sketch in brown, and it's literally like the brow wiz from Anastasia Beverly Hills, if I could talk. Except I think that pencil's like 20 quid and this is 2. So like you do the maths and everything. So I literally just outline my arch because I don't really have one. And then I like emphasise my tail over my brow. And then we literally just feather it through. I don't know, can you see? Yeah. Literally just draw a line underneath. And then flick a few bits up. Just to fill that brow in. And then I brush through it. And that, I feel like you don't have to be like a fucking Albert Einstein to fill in your eyebrows because everybody has their own way of doing it. But yeah, I'm really lucky in respect to my brows because I've never really overplucked them. So like just a little bit of pencil and brow gel. So I use the Collection Clear Mascara through my brows and it does the exact same as any other brow gel, if not better. And it sort of like just tames them and frames your brows a bit more. As you can see, I've already done that one eye off camera, so it's like a super simple, like just a wash of colour, a little bit of liner and mascara. So I'm going to go in with my Morphe 39 A Day to Create palette. I'm going to use the third transition shade. So I'm going to go in with my Zoeva 228 Luxe Crease Brush. Just get plenty of product on there and then I'll literally just wash it over the lid. Just in circular motions. Nothing too like extravagant. How's everyone doing mentally with this whole coronavirus isolation bullshit? Well, it's not bullshit because I suppose you're saving lives and stuff by saying in hello. And yeah, but personally I find it really hard to stay in. I find that like I need a distraction to like take my mind off stuff, otherwise I'm like, I get like a little bit panicked, I freak out, I overthink a lot. Thank God I've got my nails on because otherwise those would be absolutely destroyed at this point. Yeah, I'm just going in like a little bit of a darker colour, so I'm just going in with this one here. Just on the outer corner, I'm patting that in. But yeah, I usually find that when I'm inside a lot, I tend to like go at the walls, I think a lot, overthink quite a lot of stuff. And that's where my distraction of like going out quite a lot comes from. Even though it's really expensive to do that, because 9 times out of 10 I always get Mackies because I'm like fat on that. But yeah, so how is everyone doing? Because personally, I hate staying in. Really do not like it. So the fact that you're allowed to go on like a walk a day really personally helps me. Even though a lot of people are like, oh, that's selfish, staying, blah blah blah, and it's like, yeah, but it's not as easy to stay in, really, honey. So I'm going to go in with my Bang Beauty felt tip liner in black. I got this in a glossy box actually, so I don't know how much it is. Yeah, so I just do a really thin line just on the top of my lash line. And I find, if I bring the mirror a bit closer actually, that it just adds a little something extra. So granted, I do not do this every single day because like, no, you bitches are way too fucking lazy for that. But yeah, so I'm thinking over the next few days or weeks, I'm popular today, that I'm probably just end up getting pissed and like do some videos, and that we all know how that ended up last time. So that's fun. So I'm going to go in with a kohl eyeliner. I'm just going to tight line So I'm going to go in with my Technique Intoxicate Mascara. This is literally like a dupe for Better Than Sex by Too Faced, which is always a bonus because like, that mascara was like 20 quid and I'm like, so bitch, you could bet your ass I'm never ever fucking spending more than a tenner on mascara in my life. Because like, they all practically do the same thing. And like, why would you spend money on that when you could like get like an eyeshadow palette or like a new foundation or like fucking feed your dog or like and personally I'm a bottom lash mascara girl, so it's completely up to you if you want to put bottom lash mascara on, but personally I feel like I can't leave the house without mascara, especially when like I'm feeling shit and like my skin's playing up. So I put some mascara on and some liner and I sound so fucking ill and I'm so sick of being ill. And I was like, oh, you got the corona. And I'm like, no I don't. Can you see how cute that actually is? Like this is like, can you just see like the difference that a lash can actually make? Oh, I'm dropping everything. So I'll try and get this one out without actually destroying it. Buzzing. The only thing I don't like about these is when you take out the packet you have to proper wriggle them because they like lose the shape and it's just like a strip, even though they are like lashes, but like still. So I'm just going to put some lash adhesive that came with the lashes on, and this doesn't smell weird because like I always found that the duo one, I really don't like the duo lash glue. Everyone seems to like rave about it and I'm like, it smells like fish, so I'm like, oh, that smells like fish. Honey, keep away from that shit, if you know what I mean. So the packet says, wait 30 seconds for glue to become tacky, do the Charleston to pass the dance. I'm like, pass the dance? The Charleston dance to pass the time? Oh my god, I'm dying. Place lashes at base of lash and then apply mascara. Honey, right, this triggers me because I never ever 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 apply mascara after I've actually put a lash on, because I always feel like it'll just ruin like the actual lash itself, because like you can take it off and like reuse it and obviously like pick the glue off or like clean the lash itself. Oh my god, I love these eyelashes. Yes, come through. I also got these in a glossy box, which like definitely not spawn because like no one knows who the fuck I am, but that also hit me up if you're feeling it. So I'd never actually heard of this brand, and the fact that they're foam ink, which means a cruelty free, is even like a bigger of a bonus. Just look how cute they are. Oh my god. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna have to get more of them. Oh my god. Do you see this? I love them. I'm pretty sure I said that this was like an everyday makeup look. Like it could be everyday, like if you're feeling extra like glam and bougie, but like your gal ain't got fuck all else to do all day, so like I mean, you know, we can play. So I'm gonna use my MUA Intense Colour Lip Liner in the shade Sincere. So this is like a really nice nude, and it's also like a dupe of like, I think it was Charlotte Tilbury one. Tilbury, or is it fuck knows. Can you tell I'm not bougie? Can you tell I'm not bougie? So the best thing about lip filler is you can feel your filler with a lip liner. So like you don't even have to look. Not that I'm going to do that because that's like a Kylie Jenner move and my phone is liced up like the red light district. So and I'm just filling in my lips with that colour. Oh my god, adorable! Usually my lips would be a lot softer and smoother, but because I've been biting them like no tomorrow, this is like the result. So like, don't do that. So am I feeling a gloss or a matte? I'm feeling a gloss, so I'm going to, no I'm not going to take that one. I'm going to take I'm going to take this one actually. So I'm going to take my e.l.f. Plumping Lip Gloss. Just give it a good mix up because I've not used it in a bit. I don't actually know what shade it's in. Oh wait, Mocha Twist. So it's really, I really like this lip gloss. It's like my favourite one. This went under like a games machine on holiday and I was like triggered, get it back. So it kind of like tingles. And this does not match the lip liner at all, but oh well. Jazzy. God, I wish I could be honest, actually do this like every day. So like, I curl my hair for literally no reason. So like, guess what I'm gonna go do now? Probably gonna go like make TikToks or some shit like that because I've got fuck all else to do. Set my face with my I Heart Revolution fixing spray. So once again, Revolution, if you want to collab with me, hit me up. Help your gal out because I've been using your shit for years. Social plug. So give this a good mix and a spray. So this is the finished look of my Get Ready With Me quarantine edition slash everyday slash kinda not slash a bit more glam, but I fucking love, let's zoom in, love these eyelashes. Like, can we just see how like uffed they actually are? So I actually really like how my makeup's turned out today. Oh my god, yes bitch. So guess what we're going to be doing? Probably going to walk the dog today, make some TikToks, follow me if you want, my link will be down below, self promo, and yeah, I hope everyone's having a safe and happy quarantine and hopefully no one's like going over the batshit crazy just yet, even though it's been like day 4 of like the official lockdowns. Like Boris was like, you're not going out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and there will probably be more content because I have a lot more time on my hands. So yeah, I'm gonna get back to doing absolutely but fuck nothing, and peace out. Bye bitch.